Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wassalam ala rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Arabic Made Easy. This is your brother Abu Muhammad. In the last lesson, we started speaking and grammar activities of Unit 1. Today, inshallah, we're going to continue with the same thing, speaking and grammar activities. Now, let's open our books to page 11. We have at the top, التدريب الثاني, the second exercise. It says, هاتي جملا, come with sentence or bring sentences, كما في المثال, just like in the example. Here we have 6 different pictures of 6 different individuals. Underneath each picture you have 2 words. A word on the right side, which is a blue word, and a word on the left side, which is a gold word written in gold writing. The word on the right side, which is written in blue, this is a person that is connected to us, and we're going to introduce this person. And the word on the left side is this person's occupation. Now let's look at the al-mithal, the example sentence. The example sentence is based on the picture on the top right side, where it says akh, which means a brother, and mudarris, which means a teacher, a male teacher. So he says here, هذا أخي, this is my brother. So I'm introducing by saying هذا. Then I'm saying أخي, I've connected the word akh, brother, to myself. So with all the words that are in blue writing, connect them to yourself. هو مدرس. هو مدرس means he's a teacher. So I've introduced my brother. I've used the first word, and I mentioned his occupation by saying huwa, then mention the second word, which is the word on the left side, huwa mudarris. Please note here, we say huwa mudarris when it comes to speaking. When it comes to writing, practice by putting dhammatan, huwa mudarrisun. Yeah? Now what I'd like you to do is do the same thing. Pause the video, do the same thing for the rest of the pictures, but please note, if you're going to introduce a woman, do not say hada, but say hadihi. Yeah? So pause the video, do the same thing, then we're going to check the answers together. Now let's go over the answers. Second picture, going left side, we have ukht, sister, and mudarrisa, female teacher. So to introduce her, we say hadihi ukhti, this is my sister. Hiya mudarrisa, she's a teacher. But when it comes to writing, hiya mudarrisatun dhammatan. Next picture we have Sadiq, which is a friend, a male friend, and Tabib, a male doctor. So هذا صديقي, this is my friend. هو طبيب, he's a doctor. When it comes to writing, هو طبيب. Next picture we have صديقة, a female friend, and طبيبة, a female doctor. So هذه صديقتي, this is my friend, my female friend. هي طبيبة, she's a doctor. When it comes to writing, هي طبيبة ضمة at the end. Next picture we have akh, which means brother, and muhandis, which means an engineer. So هذا أخي, this is my brother. هو muhandis, he's an engineer. Or هو مهندس ضمة at the end. Then last picture we have ukht, which is a sister, and طالبة, a female student. So هذه أختي, هي طالبة, this is my sister, she's a student. When it comes to writing, هي طالبة. Now let's move on to the next part. We have here التدريب الثالث, the third exercise. It says تبادل السؤال والجواب, exchange question and answer مع زميلك, with your classmate or with your colleague, كما في المثال, just like in the example. We have here in front of us different pictures of different individuals. Under each picture we have 2 words, a word on the right side and a word on the left side. The word on the right side is a pronoun that refers to a person, like I, like you, he, she, and so on, a word that refers to a person. And the word on the left side is where this person comes from. So we need to do it with a partner. One of us will ask the other one, where are you from? Or where is he from? Where is she from? Using the word on the right side, the pronoun. And the other person will say, I'm from this particular country, by using the word on the left side. Now let's go to the mithal. The mithal is based on the picture on the left side, where you have a Pakistani man. Underneath it says anta, which means you, and Pakistan is Pakistan. So Tawan, at-talibul awwal, the first student, he says min ayna, from where? Then we use the word on the right side, the pronoun anta. Min ayna anta, where are you from? The second student answers by using the word on the left side, ana min Pakistan, I'm from Pakistan. What I would like you to do is the same thing. Ask, where are you from? Or where is he from? Where is she from? By using the pronoun on the right side, and then answer the second student, your partner, can say the answer by using the word on the left side. So pause the video, complete the rest of the exercise by yourselves, and then we're going to check the answers together. Now let's go over the answers. We have anti, which means you, female, and turkiyataki. So min ayna anti, the first student asks, Second student answers, أنا من تركيا. Next one. من أين هو? The first student asks. The second student answers, هو من سوريا. He is from Syria. Next picture. من أين هي? Where is she from? Second student answers, هي من مصر. She is from Egypt. Next one we have, من أين أنت? Where are you from? Speaking to a female person. Answer is, أنا من باكستان. Now let's move on to the next page. We have التدريب الرابع. التدريب الرابع, the fourth exercise. It says, هاتي جملا, come or bring with sentences كما في المثال, just like in the example. Here we have pictures of different individuals. Underneath them, their names. What we need to do is say, my name is, then mention the person's name. So my name is, then mention the person's name. For example, the first picture, al-mithal, underneath the picture is Khalid. Ismi Khalid. My name is Khalid. But please also practice the grammar rules by putting dhammatan for male names and one dhamma for female names. So Ismi Khalidun with dhammatan. So practice with speaking by putting sukun at the end, as well as grammar by putting the correct vowel at the end. So pause the video, complete the rest of the exercise by yourselves, then we're going to check the answers together. Now let's go over the answers. We have here the first picture on the right side, Khalil. So Ismi Khalil, my name is Khalil. When it comes to writing, put dhammatan, Ismi Khalilun. Next one, Khadijah. We say Ismi Khadijah, my name is Khadijah, but put one dhamma when it comes to writing, Ismi Khadijatu. Next one, Muhammad. Ismi Muhammad. When it comes to writing, Ismi Muhammadun. Next picture, Fatima. Ismi Fatima. When it comes to writing, Ismi Fatimatu. Next exercise is التدريب الخامس, the fifth exercise. هاتي جملا, come with sentences كما في المثال, just like in the example. Here we have pictures of different individuals. Underneath them we have two words. A word on the right side, which is the person's nationality, and the word on the left side, which is where the person comes from, the country of the person. What you need to do is to say, I am of this particular nationality and I come from this particular country. Let's go to the al-mithal, the example sentence. We have a picture of a male person. Underneath we have Turkey, the word on the right side, which means Turkish, and Turkiya on the word on the left side, which is Turkey. So the person says, Ana Turki, I'm Turkish. Ana min Turkiya, I'm from Turkey. So what I would like you to do is the same thing for the rest of the pictures. Say, I'm of this particular nationality by using the word on the right side, and I come from this particular country by using the word on the left side. So pause the video, complete the answers by yourselves, and then we're going to check the answers together. Now let's go over the answers. We have Suriya, Syrian female national, Syria, Syria. So Ana Suriya, I'm Syrian. Ana min Syria, I'm from Syria. Please do note that the ending of these nationalities will take dhammatan, yeah? So Ana Suriyatun, dhammatan at the end. Next one, Misriya and Misr. Ana Misriya, I'm Egyptian, female national. Ana min Misr, I'm from Egypt. When it comes to writing, note Misriyatun dhammatan. Next one, Pakistani and Pakistan. Ana Pakistani, I'm Pakistani. Ana min Pakistan, I'm from Pakistan. Next one, Turkiya and Turkey. So, Ana Turkiya, I'm Turkish, female national. Ana min Turkiya, I'm from Turkey. What did we do in today's lesson? In today's lesson, we practiced more speaking and grammar activities of Unit 1. If anyone has any questions related to today's lesson, please feel free to ask. Inshallah, I'll try to get back to the answers as soon as we can. Jazakumullah khairan for watching. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.